It's a brand new day in the studio. I'm excited to start working. Today I have something that I'm excited about. It's kind of like a two-parter, as in today and tomorrow kind of go hand in hand. I'm gonna leave you the surprise to the end. Not that it's that great of a surprise, but I mean, if you want the whole information, stick to the end. So for now, what I'm going to do is a bunch of textures and background textures. So I want to do as many as I can, as different as I can possibly think, and I'm focusing just on backgrounds, so that tomorrow I can use them for something else. More on that at the end. Let's get to work. Okay, I'm super satisfied with all the textures that I got. As I was saying, this is a two-parter. Today I wanted to have all these textures ready for tomorrow because I would like to work on a collage project. As you know, I've painted eggs a couple times and I wanted to go back to that theme because I think it's interesting. So tomorrow I want to do collages with the textures that I've already made. They're gonna serve as texture for the eggs or texture for the background, and I'm going to work with composition because, as I've mentioned a few times, I feel like composition is my weakness, and I feel like if I have all this texture ready to go and I only have to focus on composition, it might help me understand it better, discover new things, and learn faster. Come back tomorrow to see the eggs, and we're gonna work on collage art, which is a lot of fun. I'm so dirty.